Hey, buenos dias. It's Pastor Junior. And the title of my message this morning is making sound decisions, right? Making sound decisions is living a godly life. Making sound decisions is living a godly life. And it's found here in Proverbs chapter 2. Who wrote Proverbs? Well, Solomon. Right? You have, after King David, you have Solomon, his son Solomon. Remember, he wrote 3 books in his lifetime. He wrote the Song of Solomon. In his younger years, he wrote the book of Proverbs in the Middle Ages. And then in his older years, he wrote Ecclesiastes. Right? Pero aquí dice, in Proverbs chapter 2, verse 10, ¿qué dice? It says when wisdom, right? Let me see. It says, when wisdom enters the mind, it is pleasing to the heart. Right? Once again, it reads, it says, when wisdom enters your heart, and knowledge is pleasant to your soul. Right? And then verse 11 of Proverbs chapter 2, ¿qué dice? It says, discretion will preserve you, understanding will keep you. And right? And so we go with Psalm chapter 112 verse 5. ¿Qué dice? It says a good man will guide his affairs with discretion. A good man will guide his affairs with discretion. What's discretion? Well, discretion is discernment. Discernment enables a person to judge critically of what is correct and proper, united with caution. And what's the title of our message this morning? Well, it says making sound decisions is living a godly life, right? And it's right here with Proverbs chapter 2 verse 10 and Psalm 112 verse 5. Amen. Just a word of encouragement. Orale, God bless you guys.